Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, after nearly 2 days, it looks like we've finally gotten rid of all that freezing drizzle and rain and snow, and things are finally quieting down. First, we'll start with the satellite radar picture. You can see some of the final echoes of snow moving south of the border, leaving everybody a nice quiet night out there. Thankfully, that freezing rain just didn't want to leave, and in its wake, you can see lots of yellow here still on the DOT travel map with scattered ice and compacted ice and snow. And if it's not yellow, it's blue, meaning that there is some slush out there from the snow that fell today. Not a lot of green out there, so no matter where you go, unless it's the far southwest, plan for some slick spots out there. And that includes here in the Bismarck area where we were 10 degrees above the average today with a high of 34 degrees. Almost 20 degrees below that record high of 52. Meanwhile, in the Magic City, about the same thing today. You were kind of stuck under that cloud cover, so you had a high of 35, still above average for this time of the year. Look at that low today, 22, nearly 20 degrees above where we should be, which is nice. Here's a look at temperatures elsewhere across the state. I'll zoom it in for a look at your neighborhood. Most places are in the upper teens and lower 20s. The warm spot right now looks like Hettinger and Beach both checking in at 30 degrees. Further to the north, about the same thing. Everybody in the upper teens and lower to mid-20s, except the cool spot is Rolla. You're at 14 degrees. Winds have turned around out of the north now at between 5 and maybe 8 miles an hour. Winds will not be a problem tonight, and that's going to allow the development of fog. And you can see here the visibilities really falling. Half mile in Rugby, 0.8 of a mile visibility in the Williston area. Linton, 0.8 of a mile, and a mile, just over a mile and a half in Harvey. Patchy fog. It'll be hit or miss tonight, so if you get in that fog, it will be thick. And the good thing is precipitation will be lacking here as I put precision cast into motion here. A cloudy, dreary day on Monday. Really not what you want for back to work or school. Lots of clouds and fog in the morning, but things clear out by the time we get to Tuesday. You can see lots of sunshine for your Tuesday, which is always nice to see. And here's a look at the fog forecast. The darker the colors, the thicker the fog here. You can see as we roll through tomorrow morning, patchy fog, pretty thick up near Williston and probably over toward the Steele area, and then that fog hangs around. But probably by mid-morning, the fog should finally begin to dissipate. Tonight in the capital city, 21 degrees with that patchy fog developing. And with temperatures below freezing, we will have rhyming out there. So as you're headed to work or school, especially in the morning, watch for slick spots out there because it will be slick. 17 tonight in the Magic City again with that patchy fog. Here's your 3-day forecast for Dickinson. Also dealing with a little bit of morning fog and then some clouds in the afternoon, and then mostly sunny for your Tuesday. Same thing in Williston, morning fog and then a nice day Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's your extended forecast for Bismarck. Average high of 24. We'll be above that for the next 7 days at least. Look at that high on Friday as we head into the weekend. 37 Friday, 39 on Saturday. One of the computer models, though, Renee, as I was putting the forecast together, I believe it was the European model, as I show you the extended forecast for Minot, hinting at some accumulating snow for next weekend, but it's so far off right now. We're just going to leave it as a mostly cloudy day for Saturday and Sunday. But enjoy the week because we finally have some sunshine and some comfortable temperatures out there.
Well, I look forward to. Thanks so much, Robert.
You got it.
Coming up next in sports, North Dakota basketball legend Phil Jackson reacts to the sudden passing of Kobe Bryant. That and more up next.